Alright, we're showing off the navigation lights on the Cessna O-2. These are from Dave's RC Electronics. We've got the high intensity marker lights, LEDs, and then the strobe lights in the wingtips. Red and green. And then another nifty little feature.
Landing lights on. Landing lights off. Landing lights on.
So we have landing lights also in the front cowl, and then coming around to the back side, we've got the marker LED, a rotating beacon, and then on the bottom of the tail booms we have the marker lights, LEDs. On this baby. She's a sweetheart. Can't wait to get her out and maiden her.